Hey everybody, what's going on? Trying to pull out of the Dairy Queen here. I went to the Dairy Queen to see if they had a new Blizzard. I saw on Facebook today that Dairy Queen released a frosted animal cracker Blizzard. If you guys remember the pink animal crackers, the frosted pink animal crackers that we know in the bag you would get, they're coming out with one, and I am like ecstatic because I loved those animal crackers. You can still buy them, I just don't buy them anymore. Who thinks to like, ooh, buy animal crackers, but no shame. So I'm kind of upset they didn't have it, and I really didn't want anything else from there. They have a cotton candy. They have a cotton candy Blizzard right now, and it's I'm not feeling that. Just not feeling that. I don't know. So I don't know. So instead, I'm going to go to Wendy's and get a Frosty. Yeah, I want a Frosty. And I was thinking earlier, I saw Trisha Paytas posted a video where she was having Chick-fil-A's spicy chicken sandwich. And I'm like, ooh, a spicy chicken sandwich sounds like really good. But I don't need the bread. It's a lot, it's heavy. So instead, I'm just gonna get some spicy chicken nuggets and a Frosty. I'm so excited. Oh, we forgot to turn this on. It still has breakfast. Bro, if they were offering breakfast all day, they would kill. I'm just saying. They would kill. Ooh, should I just get a Frosty-ccino? You guys know I like to drink things, I like drinking stuff. Maybe I get a Frosty-ccino instead. Ooh. I think they still sell them the whole day. Sure. Well, I'll find out when I get up to the board to order. Man, I got in my car and I put the key in and I turned it. Now this is like the fourth time this has happened. I turned it and the car didn't start. It just sat there. And I was like, I had it all the way. I'm like, what the hell? So, and then I would take it down and then I would do it and it would start. I'm like, why did it do that? I'm like, I'm worried. Now I'm thinking it's like my ignition. My ignition's gonna go out, so I'm gonna have to get a whole new ignition. And now and I'm sure that's not cheap. So, damn. So it just rained a little bit ago and it stopped. And I was like, Mom, I'm gonna go run to Dairy Queen and see if they have that Blizzard. And I went out, got to my car, I was like, it just stopped raining. And it was so quiet, so peaceful, and we got that rain. So I was like, you know what? So I ran back in. I was like, Mom, come out here, outside real quick, So that I didn't want her to miss, that beautiful moment, like that. It was just so serene, it was so still. And we probably stood there for like 5 minutes to talk real quick because she wants to redo the landscape out front, like get rid of some stuff, and because it's really bushy and stuff. It's a lot. Kind of make it a little more cleaner. So yeah, I'm just saying, fun note. It's kind of nice out, but it's supposed to rain for like the next 3 days, and that doesn't make me happy because I don't like rain like that.
Welcome, Wendy's.
Hi, can I get a 6-piece spicy nugget, please, with ranch and barbecue?
Okay.
And a large chocolate Frosty-ccino.
Large chocolate Frosty, that's it?
Can I get a Frosty-ccino? Not a
Frosty-ccino? Okay, my bad.
And then that's all.
It's vanilla Frosty-ccino? The chocolate or vanilla?
Chocolate.
Chocolate Frosty-ccino. Okay, $4.90.
Thanks.
No problem.
Maybe one of these days I should do the letting the person in front of me order from me challenge, food restaurant. Comment down below a fast food restaurant that you want me to do that challenge for, you know. Comment down below so I know. So I'm coming across some really good music for this channel. Like, I know a lot of people use them, but it's really good. Hi. Thanks. Okay, thank you. Okay. Man, that was awkward. Anyways, oh my gosh. She said she put sugars in the bag for the coffee. I mean, is that... I don't know, but I thought it was sweetened. Maybe she was just thinking because of coffee, you know? Who knows? Let's try it. Ooh, the Frosty-ccino. Oh no, that's perfect. Are you kidding me? That's so good. So I was just gonna get ice cream, but I was like, you know, let's just get something drinkable because, you know, it's way more convenient and I like it. Ooh, with the coffee though. You know, it's not super strong, which I wish it was. Gotta love a Frosty-ccino. What? Spicy nuggets with a packet of sugar. Okay. So, yeah, I haven't really had any form of fast food in a week. So, I was like, I really wanted a spicy chicken sandwich, but I really don't want the bread to make it all that worse. So instead, I got nuggets. I'm not saying it's healthy, but it's not as bad. You know you're when you think like that. It's like hitting the spot. Dang, spicy nuggets. There's McDonald's. It's not McDonald's. You know, I really can't eat there anymore. Like, really, because strangely, lately, every time I eat there, I usually get an upset stomach and get the poops and whatnot, so I really don't like to go there anymore. You know, but their food tastes good. This is bomb. Okay. Oh, it was so good. That was like just perfect. I got 6. 6 nuggets. And wow, just with the spot, just enough to give me a little comfort. And this. This is gonna give me the power to edit this video tonight. Yum. That is really good. Guys, if you have not had the Frosty-ccino from Wendy's, please go get one. I like the chocolate. They have it in vanilla too if you're not a chocolate fan. But it seriously is ridiculous. It still tastes like a hardcore Frosty. You can barely taste the coffee, you know? Which is good for some people because I know some people really don't like coffee like that. But for coffee drinkers like me, I like it to be, I want it to taste like coffee, man. But it's delicious, I do have to say. I'm very happy with this. Stay there. I'm just slowly waiting for Taco Bell, they're right there, to bring back the freaking watermelon freeze. That is my favorite item off their menu. Hands down, period. I got it everything. I love the watermelon freeze. Oh, hello. I mean, it's so good. And they have the little seeds, the candy seeds in it. Oh, killer. Especially if you leave them in there long enough, you know, then they just, that way they're not super hard and they hurt your teeth. You can crunch them, you know? But that way they kind of like break down easier. Ooh. Watermelon freeze. I used to get it all the time. I used to go there and get a watermelon freeze and nacho fries. Because nacho fries are life. Jeffree Star got to meet the inventor of the nacho fry, and I'm kind of jealous. I'm a chef, and I don't even know what to do. I may have an idea. I have to try it, but... Oh, next video idea. Trying to figure out nacho fry seasoning. That's so exciting. What if it's like Cheetos? Cheetos, and you grind it up and mix it with ranch, pack it like the ranch seasoning. Oh my god, I think I just figured it out now. Maybe, who knows? But could you imagine, get some regular crunchy, maybe puff, if we deep fry them, bro. Get the puffy ones and grind them, and then you get your taters, right? Your fries. You can get the ones already cut, you know, in the bag in the freezer section. Get those, and then just bread them in that, air fry them. Oh my goodness. Okay, guys, tune in soon when the next time I go to the grocery store. I'm gonna get the ingredients and we're going to try this. I am so excited. Oh my god. And then I gotta get cheese sauce, you know, because it's bomb. We can have the Taco Bell cheese sauce. They probably have it. They probably stop their ass before it comes. Oh, guys. So much fun. This is delicious, I have to say. I probably said that about 5 times now, but it's because I just can't stop saying it because it's so good. But, guys, I have to get out of here. I got to get back home, get this video edited and whatnot. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and turn on the little bell icon so you know when I upload new videos. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.